Woo! Are you kidding me? I wasn't recording. I just did. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rex. We are here today in a massive parking lot about to do what I didn't think I was interested in. We're doing a speed run. But before that, let's do a bit of work on the car. Back with Shop Rex. Alright, first we're at the desk. Now, why weren't we gonna do this? Two reasons. One, I'm done with speed. I was done with speed a long time ago. See, I was around for before brushless was available, and I was piecing brushless kits together using industrial motors and industrial speed controls. And then when brushless came out to the regular people from Castle and Dynamite, a lot of you will remember that, every single car I bought, and I probably bought a car a day for a good couple years, exaggeration of course, but as soon as I bought a car, I always bought a brushless system to go with it. And that's how I came to understand gearing and torque and some of the aspects of running speed. The second reason was I didn't have one of these. Well, I was just curious, doing some shopping on Amazon, window shopping. Threw this in the cart so I could look at it later. I didn't even look at this yet. Well, what do you know? Just like my servos, my wife didn't even notice it was in the cart and decided, hey, let's just check out. No, I'm kidding. She noticed. She's just really cool like that. She's like, I thought you might need this because it was in the cart. Well, thanks, babe. Now I can join Poor Boys Speedrun Challenge. I didn't even open this to check if it works yet. Anyway, we'll deal with that later. Wait, just in case it works well, link in the description below. If you buy it through me, the channel gets like a penny. Thank you. All right, let's start. We are going to be running this TT02 R. It started as an R. It's got a front spool in it, so it's a solid front spool. That should keep it stable during high speed. I also have high speed gear. This one's a 68 tooth. Wait, there might be a 64 in there. All right, so 64 and this giant pinion, which is like a 30, let's count it. It's a 29 tooth pinion gear. So I think, yeah, 29, 64, 8.5 turn. I'm not doing anything special. When I used to run a lot of speed, the biggest things were weight, aerodynamics, and tires. As soon as you had a torquey enough motor, enough cells, and ridiculous gearing, you can go as fast as you want. The limit is aerodynamics, tires, and these things are really light when you're going speeds like that. So we're just going to get ourselves onto the leaderboard somewhere, it doesn't matter where, just to join the fun. 8.5 turn, 64 tooth spur gear, 29 tooth pinion gear. I'm pretty sure this combo's already been done, and I'm not going to win, but I know it'll be on the leaderboard somewhere. I just hope we don't smash this thing up. Let me get the stuff inside, and you can go back and join Rex out there. So I've mounted the GPS on the inside of this windshield here. It shouldn't go anywhere. And we did test that it works in the car ride over here. This body's probably not the greatest choice to use. I don't know. I don't really want to destroy this body either, but it is what it is. This is what we're using. Something that Shop Rex forgot to mention is, I don't know why it's important or not, but the TT02 R came with 3-degree rear hubs. We have 2.5-degree rear hubs. Also, the ground clearance I'm seeing here is very low. Hopefully the tires expand enough at high RPM that it increases the ride height naturally. All right, that's it. Let's turn this on and get it going. All right, it's found a GPS. Put this on, then we're gonna hit play. This is a 2S setup. I haven't said that once yet, but it's a 2-cell battery. Brushless system. Let's go. Hopefully we have enough room and we can watch the car come at us here. We're gonna adjust the trim first before we give it the beans. Oh yeah, that's turning left a lot. This is also very low. I think we're gonna have a problem. This is gonna lift in the air. We're gonna have takeoff. We're gonna have takeoff before we hit 88 miles an hour. Jeez, look at all the rocks. I don't think I picked a good parking lot. Let's like give it a go. Oh my goodness. I don't like this at all. I didn't even hit play on the GPS, so let's not crash it yet. Hit play on the GPS, that's right. Play. 2, 1, go, it says. Okay, let's go that way. Woo! Yeah, I can't even, there's no traction here. Maybe we'll try up, I don't know. Oh, there are too many rocks. People, I need to find a different location. Let's see if we can do this. Oh my, we cannot. I can't put the power down. Can't put the power down. Oh, this chassis is mashed. I think it's too low. Definitely too low here. Well, I'm already out here. I gotta keep trying. Let's try one more time. See if I can record a speed. Here, let's try here. Camera off. Okay, we did it. That rear end is just dragging. It's too low. I should have thought about that. Okay, I gotta ease on the power more gradually. No, not working. Oh, it's still going. It's kind of pulling. Did I record a max speed? I'll get a new chassis, we're good. How do I see the max speed? Why is it paused? My max was 57 kilometers an hour. That was weak. That was weak. Oh, and there goes a body clip over there. I need to raise this. I don't have any preloads. Yeah, I'm not prepared for this at all. I underestimated. Maybe I can find a better spot of road here. Okay, let me see if I can find a better spot of road here. Use an active road, so we gotta be quick. Uh-oh. I might have lost a dog bone because it's pulling. Pretty sure I lost a dog bone. Oh yeah. Lost a front right dog bone. I gotta go drive back and find it. All right, I managed to find the dog bone. We're back at the spot. It's pretty active road now. It's getting later in the day, but I'm gonna try and cheat here and use the assistance of the downhill to give me some more speed. I don't think it's gonna help me though. It's probably gonna make me less stable. We'll see. All right, we're gonna do this all over again because apparently my head cam wasn't recording. So we got 72 kilometers. Let's try this again. All right. Woo, spun out at the end there. Let's do an uphill run. It's too much power, too much wheel speed. I can't put the power down. One more downhill run. I am using the downhill as a bit of a cheat here. I don't think I'll win anyway. Just want to put our name up on the leaderboard for fun. I spun out. Okay, let's do an uphill run. Ooh, it jumped. All right, let's try another downhill run. Last one. Oh, there's a car coming though. That was somewhat successful. Let's see if we can match our 72 kilometers. What do we got? 72.4. Oh, I think we beat it by 0.1. Nice. All right, I mean, I'm happy with that. It could probably get like another 0.1 maybe, but I don't think so. Well, that was fun. I didn't break anything. That's one of the most important things. Radio off. Did it record this time? Oh, thank goodness it recorded this. All right, well, that was fun. I didn't really want to put too much effort into it. Not out of lack of respect or anything, just lack of wanting to do super well. The body could definitely be better. I could definitely use a hotter motor and more ride height, stiffer springs. Actually, I don't know if I'd go stiffer springs, but more ride height for sure. Loading the stuff up. All right, so that was my entry into the Poor Boy RC. So that was my entry into the Poor Boy RC speed run, and it was fun. Just jammed some fast stuff into the car and came out for a run. Not something I usually do. I used to do a lot of that back then, but you end up breaking a lot of parts. But I had a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully you had fun too. Excited to see how the leaderboard looks by the end. Peace out. Make it a great day. 22.7. Are you kidding me? I wasn't recording. I just did. All right, I gotta do this all over again.